Hello everyone, welcome to Ready Kit Foods, a channel of delicacies and traditional recipe. Guys, thank you so much for choosing Ready Kit. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for your support. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, view my videos, like, share, and subscribe, and also share as well. And you can also browse the membership so that you can be a member in this channel. And otherwise, today I'm just back with this small recipe called guacamole. So, guys, we have different types of salad. For those who might not know what guacamole is, we have different types of salad, and this is it's kind of a salad that you can use to make some sandwiches. You can use it accompanied with some some rice or some nyama choma. So, guys, keep tuned and let's do together. So, guys, I'm going to use these ingredients to make this guacamole. So I have two medium-sized tomatoes. I have one small red onion. I have the avocado here, and I have some lemon. So keep tuned and see what I'm going to do. By just cutting this avocado. After doing this now, you can smash this avocado. So it all depends. If you have a smasher, you can use a smasher. If you have, you can use it usually using this. But just keep tuned, I use a smasher so that it can come out perfectly. So you collect everything. So put it aside next. continue the same way. Then add everything to this avocado. So guys, keep tuned and continue the same way. Next, I'll go with the red onions. Just cut onions the normal style. Don't put so much of onions, just a small one, small piece. This also. The next, you have the chili, but for chili, it all depends on whoever is going to take it. So you don't like so much chili, so I'll just put so little. So guys, next is this one lemon. After this, now we can mix up everything together. Yes. So this is the guacamole. So this is the recipe, guys, itself, the guacamole. So this is how it is. So guys, so this you can use it for any other fries. You can use it for sandwiches. You can use it for rice. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.